That boat wala sum is also easy. Boat wala. Page number 23. Example 3. Solve these all example. This comes in the board exam. A boat travels 16 km upstream and 24 km downstream in 6 hours. The same boat travels 36 km upstream and 48 km downstream in 13 hours. Find the speed of the water current and speed of the boat in the still water. Correct? This you have solved? खाली देखा है. Very good. हाँ? This comes in the board exam बेटा. ये सब बोर्ड एग्जाम में आता है 4 मार्क्स का. हाँ, what happened? Now, so इसमें क्या करने का? See, I will just explain you fast. Let the speed of the boat. See, what is the question they have asked? Find the speed of the water current and speed of the boat in still water. Okay, upstream and downstream, you know what it is? Upstream यानी क्या? हाँ? ऊपर boat will go like that. Aeroplane है ना, take off लेगा. हाँ? Upstream means what? Upstream means what? अरे बोट कभी ऊपर जाता है क्या? ये भगवान, तो तुमको तो पूरा 24 घंटा लेना पड़ेगा मेरे को अलजेब्रा में. सियर, सियर. Suppose this is the water, okay, and this is your boat. What is upstream? Upstream यानी क्या होता है मालूम है? If your flow of water, ये देखो पानी ऐसा आ रहा है, flow of water, बराबर? Flow of water is this side. Upstream यानी you are going against the water. Against. पानी यहां से आ रहा है, मैं बोट ऐसा लेके जा रहा हूं. You are getting? Upstream, against the water. So this is your upstream. ये upstream है. Correct? And this is downstream. Is that clear? Upstream means again water is coming this side, I am going upstream like this. And downstream means water is coming like this only, I am going like this. Correct? Understood? So upstream में my speed will decrease or increase. Upstream में पानी ऐसा आ रहा है, I am going against. कम होएगा ना? Yes or no? And downstream में speed बढ़ेगा. Is that clear? So if I take, let the speed of the boat, in still water be x kilometer per hour. How much? Speed of the boat in the still water be x kilometer per hour, and let the speed of the water current, yes or no, be y kilometer per hour. Is that clear? Is that clear? Be y kilometer. So therefore, what will I get? See here, speed of the boat, in upstream, speed of boat in the upstream will be x minus y kilometer per hour. Is that clear? And speed of the boat in downstream will be x plus y kilometer per hour. Is that clear? So see here children, if you write this much you will get half mark, write this much you will get half mark, then you write this much, half mark, half mark. This is what it is, x minus y, x plus. Now see here what they have given. A boat travels 16 kilometer upstream and 24 kilometer downstream in 6 hours. Means the boat goes 16 kilometer upstream, फिर बाद में घूम के 24 किलोमीटर डाउनस्ट्रीम भी आता है, and total time is how much? 6 hours. Now you should know which formula should I use. Now there are 3 formulas in speed, distance and time. What are they? What are the formula? Speed is equal to distance upon time. Yes or no? Next, time is equal to distance upon speed. Third one, distance is equal to speed into time. Correct? This is what you'll get. Now you should think which formula will fit here. Which formula will fit? The boat goes 16 km upstream, 24 km downstream, and it takes total how much hours? 6 hours. Matlab, I know one thing, that the boat goes upstream, comes downstream. So my first condition, from the first condition, what will I get? See here. It goes upstream, how much? 16 km. Comes downstream, 24 km. Total time कितना ले रहा है? 6 hours. I know only one thing. Total time it takes 6 hours. Upstream के लिए कितना टाइम ले रहा है? I don't know. Downstream के लिए कितना ले रहा है? Naturally upstream के लिए ज़्यादा लेगा. Because it has to go against the water. आते समय कम टाइम लगेगा. Yes or no? So I don't know, but I know only one thing. Total time taken is how much? 6 hours. तो upstream का, see here. What is the speed upstream? X minus y. And what is the formula you will take? Time. 6 hours. So time is equal to distance. So upstream का distance कितना है? 16 upon x minus y plus 24 है ना? 24 किलोमीटर डाउनस्ट्रीम है ना? Upon x plus y. This is your first condition. 16 upon x minus y plus 24 upon x plus y is equal to 6. This is your equation number 1. Now you tell me what will be equation number 2. Tell me. Bolo. Equation number 2 क्या आएगा? What they have given, see here. The same boat travel 36 km upstream and 48 km downstream. 36 km upstream. मतलब 36 upon. This is the second condition. Okay, second condition क्या है? 36 upon x minus y plus 48 upon डाउनस्ट्रीम कितना है? x plus y is equal to कितना टाइम ले रहा है? सेकेंड कंडीशन में 13 hours. This is equation number 2. Correct? Understood? Now how do you solve this equation 1 और equation 2? कैसे solve करेंगे? Let 1 upon, yes. 1 upon x, 1.4 वाला exercise. Yes or no? Let 1 upon x minus y is equal to a, 1 upon x plus y is equal to b. And then you can solve this. Barabar? Understood? This is how you have to solve it. This also comes in the board exam. My dear loving children, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास. Okay? Now see here, page number 24. This is a special sum. A certain amount is equally distributed among certain number of students. Each would get 2 less if 10 students were more standing, and each would get 6 more if 15 students were less. Find the number of students and the amount distributed. This is the only sum in linear equation where we multiply x into y. Otherwise, in all these equations, we always add x plus y or x minus y. Multiplication नहीं करता है. Always we, what we do? Addition or subtraction. ये एक ही sum है where we multiply. So what? Very easy. What they have told? Number of, like for example, see here. Suppose your school teacher, principal has decided 26 January, he will distribute some chocolates. Okay? Some chocolate. Suppose 5 रुपए का chocolate है. Okay? And he has decided that secondary school children will get 5 rupees ka 1 chocolate. So he will decide some amount, 2000 rupees. ओके 2000 rupees का I will distribute among the children. Now just imagine there are 400 children in the secondary division. ओके सेकेंडरी डिवीजन में 400 बच्चे लोग हैं, तो एक एक बच्चे को 5-5 रुपए का 5 स्टार दिया सपोज, छोटा वाला, तो एवरी चाइल्ड विल गेट 1 चॉकलेट. बट प्राइमरी टीचर्स ऑब्जेक्टेड. प्राइमरी टीचर टोल्ड नहीं, हमको भी देने का है. बट प्रिंसिपल व्हाट विल टेल, आई विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट ओनली 2000 rupees. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन इफ द प्राइमरी चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो विल कम, will you get 5 star? That 2000 will be divided among primary children also. Now you will get only one eclair, 2 रुपये का. Why? Because the amount is fixed. Same here. What they have told, each child would get 2 less if 10 students were more, and each would get 6 more if 15 students were less. Getting? See what they have given, a certain amount is equally distributed among certain number of students. Each would get 2 less if 10 students were more. Are you getting? If 10 students are more, तो प्राइमरी का भी बच्चे लोग आया तो अपने को 5 स्टार के जगह पे 2 रुपए का एक्लेयर मिलेगा. अगर प्राइमरी नहीं आया तो हमको 5 स्टार मिलेगा. This is like that. Okay, so what they have taken, see, let the number of students be x and let the amount given to each student be y. एक एक बच्चे को कितना रुपया मिल रहा है, रुपीज y, and total how many students are there, x. So the total amount will be distributed x into y. And see, then they have given from the first condition, if 10 students were more, तो मतलब plus 10, and if 2 less means y minus 2, so x plus 10 into y minus 2 is equal to xy. और फिर second condition में if 15 are there, so 15 less x minus 15 y plus 6, like that. Okay, so same like that. You have to go through all these sums. These sums are important. Solved example से भी आता है board exam में. Are you following? Now see here. Now the next last question in linear equation. Question number 26. Page number 26. Sorry. Exercise 1.5. Question number 6. Page number 26. Now see here what they have given. Out of 1900 kilometer, we shall travel some distance by bus and some by aeroplane with an average speed of 60 km per hour, and average speed of aeroplane is 700 km. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance we shall travel by bus. Now in this what happens, students, when they get this x and y equation, like I told you, they will ask you in that matching wala x plus y. So here also you have to be very careful. They have asked only x. Distance traveled by bus. You are getting? Distance traveled by bus पूछा है, तो y निकालने का, एरोप्लेन का नहीं निकालने का अपने को, तो use your brain. So if you get x मिला ना स्टार्टिंग में, y को हम लोग ने एलिमिनेट किया, ओके, तो डायरेक्ट x इज इक्वल टू सपोज यू गॉट 5. गेटिंग? x इज इक्वल टू 5 मिला, तो डोंट राइट सब्स्टिट्यूटेड x इज इक्वल टू 5 इन इक्वेशन 1 और 2 और फिर y भी निकालो, जरूरत नहीं है. दे हैव आस्क्ड ओनली फाइंड द डिस्टेंस वी शैल ट्रैवल बाय बस. खाली अपने को बस का निकालने का, एरोप्लेन का निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो बी अलर्ट व्हेनेवर यू सॉल्व एनी सम, बी अलर्ट. डोंट जस्ट लाइक व्हाट यू से एवरेज स्टूडेंट सॉल्व एवरीथिंग, x निकालो, y निकालो, फिर वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम. ओके, सो लीनियर इक्वेशन इज दिस मच. बराबर.